I'm going to use a Venn diagram because I have an intersection. So 80% of the seniors are taking calculus. So 80 students are taking calculus. 60% of the seniors who are taking calculus are also taking physics. So if I take 80 students, I'm just pretending there's 100 students, 80% of them are taking calculus, and 60% of those are taking physics. That's 48 students. All right, so I'm going to put a 48 here because 60% of the seniors who are taking calculus are also taking physics. Well, we know the total number of calculus students is 80. So 80 minus 48, that has to be 32. If 10% of the students are taking neither, so I've got 10 out here. Now I'm trying to figure out what percent of the seniors are taking physics. So I'm trying to figure out this. Well, when you sum up all your percents, it has to give you 100, right? So far, I've got 32 plus 48 plus 10, that's not taking either one. So it's 80, that's 90. So that leaves me 10 students that are right there. If you add all those up, you're going to get 100% or 100 students. So the number of students taking physics, 58%. Answer D.